Good afternoon, friends. Sorry for the first video was not complete due to some technical errors. So I want to complete the video. So having explained for on the first part, don't fall victim of scammers. Don't fall victim of scammers. Anybody that's trying to tell you that following so and so person will make you gain so and so Bitcoin. First of all, they always create many accounts. They will come under comment section and make a complaint and ask a question. Use their other account to answer the question, to make comments, to recommend somebody. Using another account again to make you think that a person is really making money for people. So don't be deceived. Okay, now let's continue. This is DXY. Sorry, Japanese yen, pounds yen. So let me check weekly again. Anyway, not much on weekly, but for many, I think 2 months ago, I said we likely get something like this in the next future. So maybe it's about to start. So daily, you can see this very drop hasn't finished. So in my own calculation, we're gonna get this very drop. So we will likely see pounds yen going below 150. So for now, let's focus on what we will get in few weeks. So 4 hours, just as I explained on Euro Yen, you need to have a structure before you sell or buy. I'm looking for setup. And the only way I can sell this, I really don't like the structure it is making, okay? But I also know what it's trying to do, okay? Had it made a clear zigzag, maybe something like this. After this move, it made something like this, I move again. I will just sell from here, direct. But even at this, I will know when to sell. I would like to have a deeper move before I sell. Or maybe if you drop, you got to give me the correction, I will still look for nice structure before I sell, because I know it will be a swing sell. This is surely where the target is. Okay, so let's go to gold. Gold, remember for weeks now, I said, okay, let me check weekly. No, weekly. Anyway, of course, this is a perfect structure. This WXY is a perfect structure. So even if it will drop further, maybe it will be a correction. Maybe this is wave 1. It may be with wave 1, A, B, C, and so on. So sorry, A, B, C. So gold has ended the correction based on weekly, based on daily. We have seen the first 5 waves. Sorry. Anyway, first 5 waves is forming. This is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is wave 3 of a bigger wave. So this is wave 4. If you check my previous videos, you can see you see that I posted this very target for a very long time. So now it's have come to the reversal zone and have also reversed. Seeing our 4-hour chart, you see the structure it made in the reversal zone, and it's have broken the channel it was making. Okay, it was making a channel. It was making a channel, and the upper line have been broken. I can see, and the move is sharp. So no much explanation on this, no much talk on this. You can see it's moving and moving very fast. So what we do is, whenever you get a nice pullback, for instance, whenever I say nice pullback, this is a nice pullback. Okay, this is a nice pullback. Of course, this is a correction. This is a pullback. Okay, so if you see something like this again, then you join the buyers. Okay, I bought when this line was broken and this drop happened. That's when I bought. So that's when you get when you have the knowledge, you know when to strike. This is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first one wave, and this is the wave 2. Wave 3 is developing somewhere here. Somewhere here it will complete. Then 4, 5. Okay. So that's for gold, silver. Silver. Let's see weekly as well. You can see silver also made a nice correction. Silver is even deeper than gold. Okay. The only difference is that silver haven't broken the channel. Okay. But you know, channel is just a guide. Channel doesn't determine what happens in the market, but it is just a guide. For instance, let me show you something on gold. So 4 hours on gold, when we're talking about channel, you know, when you see this, not it must touch this line all the time. You can see it's bounce off, didn't cut to the lower channel again and break this. So channel doesn't control the market, but it's just a guide for what you're looking for. So let me put a channel here. Maybe silver will soon break this very channel. Okay, this is another channel. Silver will likely break to give us extra confirmation about the buying. But because gold is buying already, silver will not silver will not do otherwise. So silver will also buy with gold. The difference now is that gold is being faster than silver. Okay, but it's gonna follow silver to buy. Okay, so maybe 1 hour, anything 1 hour, let's check. Okay, 1 hour this is more of corrective or structure. Okay, which means silver can come to this level and give us a deeper move again. But the bottom line is that not time to sell silver. Look for buy. I'm looking for buy anyway. Platinum weekly. Platinum weekly. Remember, I said this is still possible, but now I doubt if it will happen because silver and gold is buying. Okay, when silver and gold is buying, platinum will equally buy with them. Okay, so now what will happen is that we may still get a sell, but at least we're gonna come to 1,030, 1,040, or even 1,080 before we sell. So for now, let's check 4 hours. So 4 hours have given us a confirmation to buy. Okay, our first buy happened around here. I will show you that. I will show my students such. So, but second buy have happened here. So at least we are going to get to this level, at least. Okay, so US oil. In oil is somehow confused. Okay. So in my calculation, oil is coming to 50, 60, 55, 50, or below 50. That's for my own calculation. You know, this is forecast. Any forecast can change anytime. So you don't say it must, no? So let's see daily on oil, daily on oil. Yeah, but now, why was some time? So daily oil have made a very nice structure, you know, but I expected that oil will move from here, give us correction and move. But it didn't happen. Yes. Markets cannot do whatever you expect all the time. Okay, so that's why you need knowledge. That's why you need to learn. That's why you disregard those who will tell you that with this with 0.2 Bitcoin, you make 10 Bitcoin in a year. If you follow them, you lose your money. Okay, so now let me go to 4 hours direct. So you can see silver. Last week I was expecting silver to reverse around here and begin to go lower, but the structure changed. Okay, and it was making something strange. That's why I said silver is confused. So now the only thing logical I can see on silver is that it will give us these 5 waves, and after that the selling will start. So now if you trade oil, then if you get a nice pullback on oil, a kind of either this type of pullback or a correction, then you can now buy oil and target this zone. Okay, that's how I will trade it if I am to trade oil. Right now, I don't have plan to trade oil until I see a nice structure. For instance, I would like to trade oil when this happened, when this forecast happened. I will sell oil from here. Okay. In trading, there are so many things to trade. You always pick the best. So for now, oil isn't among the best for me. Okay, so having shown you oil, let me go down to NASDAQ, US 100. US 100, you see this, our reversal zone, it's have reversed and have confirmed the bullish move. Breaking of this channel is another layer of confirmation for the bullish. So, and we are looking for a new high. Okay, but don't jump in from here, because if you jump in from here, you can see the market. You can see the market doing something like this again, then you become confused. So allow it to give you a structure for you to join. S&P 500. You know, for a long time, I said, here is my target. I said longer time that my target is around 4500, 4400. So now it's like giving us a nice pullback. So if you are buying S&P 500, you can buy it from now, and stop loss will be here. Okay, and target will be here. So it's a very nice trade if you take it. It's one of the best trades available now. Okay. US 30 is equally a nice trade. US 30, I entered the trade when it broke this zone. So let me show you daily. US 30. Now this is another example again about channel. You know, I was thinking that this will come to the lower line of the channel, but I think it's not going to do it again. Rather, it's made an expanding flat. This thing is an expanding flat. This thing is an expanding flat. So this is a move. This is an A, B, C, expanding flat. So it might come to this level again. Okay. So let's see 4 hours to see other possibilities to have. So this sharp move is a clear impulse. So we are looking for how to join. I'm already in the buy. So is it for you to look for how to join? Maybe you have to wait after 5 waves are played out, then you get an ABC. Because why? What is my labeling? My labeling just disappeared. I labeled this, so I don't have time to waste. So we have wave 1, 2, wave 3, we end around here. Then after that, wave 4, wave 5. After wave 5, then wait for an A, B, C. That's when you will enter at a good price and at a good price zone. Then you buy for a bigger profit. Okay. What again? I will now join Bitcoin on this chart. Okay. Bitcoin. Remember last week, I said Bitcoin will likely go down to 20 or thereabouts. So now, and I remember last week, I said the possibility of giving us a new low is here. But I will say maybe 10% possibility. 10% possibility. Because why? It's haven't broken wave 4. The only, for those who understand Elliott Wave, the only proof that wave 5 has ended is when the price closed above wave 4. You can see it's bounced off wave 4. So what we are doing is that we have seen 5 waves up. So in case if you see a sharp move down, don't be surprised. On 4 hours, this is a nice 5 waves move, and this is an ABC, which is W. Then this is X. Then with Y, we give us another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We already get with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4. We end anywhere with 5. After then we look for buy setup. Okay, so maybe I don't know where it will end, but I know it's gonna come to this level, 20 between 21,541 to 20,037 is where we target with Y to end. Okay. Ethereum, the same structure, the same thing. We are looking for WXY again. So Ethereum between 1,495 to 1,379 is where we expect. Anyway, 1,495 to 1,452 is their normal range target. Then if it goes deeper, it comes down to this very zone. This red zone is a deeper correction. The normal zone is here. Okay, which one again? Repo, they are doing the same thing. Repo might have finished its own correction. BNB, you can see they're all doing the same thing. So BNB might cut to 272, down to 260, or even lower. Okay, Litecoin, all the coins, the coins follow Bitcoin. That's why many times in my video, I don't show you all these coins, because once Bitcoin are buying, they are buying. Once Bitcoin is selling, they are selling. So I think it's just repeating myself. But once in a while, I show you for you to see them, but they are all doing the same thing. When Bitcoin are selling, they are all selling. No difference. CRO, no difference. They are all selling. VET, they are all selling. You can see them. They are all selling. So you see, so let me end the video to avoid wasting your time more. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Join my Telegram channel, is free. Then if you want to learn to trade, you contact me. You can see my WhatsApp number. You contact me. My Telegram channel is free. If you pay little money, I charge. Then I teach you. And right now I have time to teach. I will, if you prefer one-on-one lesson, I have the time now. So I think now is the best time to learn from me if you're willing to learn. And I always advise you to stop market. You can never make money by trying your luck or by gambling. What gambling will do to you is that you make money today, tomorrow you lose. So, but when you have the knowledge, you're going to make money consistently. Sometimes in a week, I don't trade. If I don't see a good setup, I'm not trade. So that's what knowledge does. Okay, thank you for watching. God bless you.